Hi everyone, welcome to the Learn Wise channel. In today's Excel Wise series, we would be learning some advanced functions using paste special. We've also done a video on how to separate value from format using paste special. Please make sure you watch that video as well. Today's video, let's learn some advanced functions using paste special. What I have here on the screen is a table that shows the marks of some students, and what if I would like to convert this table by changing the rows to columns and columns to rows? Well, instead of typing out the data, what you could do is you could convert this table using paste special. So for that, all that you have to do is select the entire table, right click, copy. Scroll over to the place where you would like to paste the value, right click, paste special, select values. At the same time, please make sure that you select transpose as well, and then say OK. Now if you would notice, what has happened over here is Excel has converted my columns to rows and rows to columns. So this would help you save a lot of time. Let me show another advanced function using paste special. Right now here on the screen, I have the sales details of some employees for the month of June and July, and what I need is I need the total of these employees sales in this particular table over here. Instead of trying to manually total them and then write the values over here, I could use paste special. So all that I have to do is copy the values from June, paste them over here using paste special values, and then say OK. And now let me copy the values for July, come down over here, right click, paste special values, and this time I would say add and then say OK. Notice what Excel has done. Excel has totaled the values and then written the total over here. Simple, isn't it? Let me show you another function of paste special. I have two sets of tables, and in these tables I have some set of values which are missing. I would like to combine these two tables to form one single complete table. So how would I do that? Let me use paste special. All that I have to do is copy the values from one table, scroll over to the other, right click, say paste special values, and then say skip blanks and then say OK. Notice what Excel has done. Excel has skipped the blank values and it has merged these two tables to form one simple table. Simple, isn't it? Just in case if you have loved our video, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and then share with your friends. Thank you until we meet again.